Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara from No Sleep Boutique, and you already know what this video is about. It's the Christmas edition try on haul, and I already got on the first one. I got on candy cane mint. So I'm wearing a size large. I know in the Halloween one I had to size up to an extra large because they switched the material on me. But this material is a little bit more stretchier, so now I can wear a size large. True to size. And that's how the back looks. And I paired it with my little red teddy bear slippers. Y'all, it's comfy. It's super duper comfy. And yeah, that's all. Net. Don't let the Grinch steal your Christmas. So I am in the Grinch romper now, and again, it is a size large. There's the back of it. You already know how it goes. And the other back, it goes same way, okay? And I paired it with my black teddy bear slippers, okay, y'all? All right. It's super cute. I'm gonna need y'all to shop this Christmas collection. I didn't get much of the Christmas collection like I did with the Halloween. I got a lot of the Halloween. I'm gonna need y'all to shop. Y'all love these try on hauls? I'm gonna need y'all to, you know, support. You know, we got a mama, sister, cousin, auntie. Yeah. I already said sister, stepsister. All right, y'all, so I'm about to go on to the next one. That's all I got. I'm still waiting for you to come back to love. All right, this is the green solid mint, y'all. Green solid mint, it comes with 7 buttons on it and our logo, No Sleep Boutique. And it has a butt flap. Now, the butt flap is slightly still too low. I told them to lift it up some. They just didn't lift it up enough. So, anyway, y'all, I will get into that in another video because I'm just tired of working with this fender, you know. I'll explain it in the next video or whatever. Anyways. But yeah, this is the green solid mint. This is the only solid romper that I have. I was always afraid to do solids because I'm a big graphic design person. I love design. So yeah, this how the solid look, y'all. Yeah, if you look like a little elf, look like a little elf for Christmas. Yup. I ain't gonna unsnap the butt flap. Y'all already know how it go anyway. Yeah, I hope it's giving, y'all. I hope it's giving because I got this light on here, and it's actually a little bit darker than what y'all seeing. But you know, we gotta get this light. But all right, y'all. Next. Y'all, this 2-piece set, I might like this 2-piece set better than the romper, y'all. The Grinch in the 2-piece set. And look at the back. Wiggle. It's wiggling. Is it moving? It's moving. Yeah, yeah, but I love this 2-piece set. It's super comfortable. They are made big. They're elastic. The shorts are elastic. See? And this is a size large. A size large. My cereal one is a size extra large. But I got an extra large because I was testing out the size. And yeah, the extra large is big. So I'm like, next time let me size down. And y'all, once again, these are made to order. Made to order, and it takes 7 to 9 business days to get to you. 7 to 9 business days to get to you exactly. Cause I be counting it every time. So it took 8 business days to get to me. So yeah, y'all get y'all one. I'm not going to put these on the site until December 1st because I want those rompers to go first. Like, if you know what I mean. Okay. This is cute and it's comfortable. Yeah, like Grinch definitely gonna steal Christmas this year. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yeah, I can't do much back there. I gotta keep it classy, not showing all the ass. See? Can y'all see my matching socks, green and red? Y'all, this is my Santa Baby 2-piece sets, y'all. It says Santa Baby, Santa Baby, and also the waistband says Santa Baby as well, okay? Yeah, so it's giving that little, you know, peppermint vibe going on. And Santa Baby in the back as well. We're gonna wobble a little bit. Is it moving? Is it moving? That's all I can do for y'all, so yeah, you know. Yeah, but yeah, this is a large as well, super comfy. Like I said before, they are made to order. 7 to 9 business days, y'all. 7 to 9 business days. And we also do the designing. We also do the designing. So I designed this and I designed the Grinch one as well. Yeah, so that's it, y'all. That's it for the try on haul. And if we're not at, I'm pretty sure we're at 200 subscribers by now because the last time I checked it was 198. But thank y'all for subscribing. I can't believe I got 200 subscribers. But anyway, and I know y'all like the try on hauls. I'm gonna try to do more try on hauls, including other, you know, brands as well. Y'all just let me know. Let me know what you want. Anyways, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.